Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you some unique tricks to select text in Microsoft Word. Most probably every one of you is familiar that we can select text by dragging our cursor over the text. But there are some other interesting and unique way as well. For example, I want to select only this first line, then you can just place your cursor right over here and click once, then the line would be selected. Now, if you want to select the rest of the lines, then simply hold the left mouse button, then drag it down like this, the text would be selected. But again, there is a better way. Tap once, only one line would be selected. If you tap twice, the whole paragraph would be selected. And if you tap thrice, 1, 2, 3, then the whole section would be selected like this. Now, inside the text, you want to select just one word, then simply tap twice, the word would be selected. And similarly, if you want to select just one sentence, then simply hold the control key and select inside that sentence, and the sentence would be selected. You can also select the text by using F8 keys on your keyboard. For example, I'm going to click on this word professionally. Now simply press F8 key from your keyboard and use your arrow keys to select the text like this. On the left, you can select like this. Similarly, you can go down as well. And also you can go up like this. Now, if you want to come out of this mode, simply press escape key and tap inside the text. For example, you want to select text starting from here till here, this matching cover page. Then what you would do, simply place your cursor right over here, then press shift key and click on this matching cover, and there you go, the text is selected. So you can make a choice over here how much of the chunk of the text you want to select. So simply place your cursor over here, and I'm gonna press shift key and simply click once, and there you go, the text is selected. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.